All right, guys, come on in from your walk. Take a look at the mail for today. It's a parking ticket. Parking ticket. Let's check out, what's this? Huh?
Good morning, Randall. The golden containers have been stolen by the infamous mother-daughter duo known only as Buckshot Shorty and the Jackal. Those containers hold the Christmas menu requests of Dinner Party Tonight fans. It is essential they be recovered. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to recapture the golden containers with their contents intact. If you spot Buckshot Shorty and the Jackal, engage at your own risk. If you are caught, you will be disavowed and stripped of your apron. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck, Randall. Coming this December, a very special dinner party tonight. A Christmas potluck dinner featuring dishes requested by you. Tune in to see what's on the menu. This message will self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.
That was the best one.
Was it really? Was that really?
Dum, 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 dum.